Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am putting together a platter. I'm going to use this round platter. And I'm going to use this plushie that I got at the Valentine's sale, after Valentine's. And he's a flat one. He kind of lays on his belly to build the platter with. So I'm going to use him. We're going to use a satin bonnet. I'm going to use this antique leather candle. It smells really good. Triple wick. Smells wonderful. Alright. I'm going to use this makeup brush. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. And this was back during the Valentine's sale. This little card on here just says makeup brush. Does not say Happy Valentine's or anything like that. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to leave it in the box. I'm going to include a towel. Bath bombs. And then I'm going to use the deodorant that I got from Temu. Alright, and it is perfume. That's what it looks like. Very pretty. And I'm going to use the box on that as well. And that's just to provide some stability for the tray. I'm also going to include some Bodycology body cream. And I'm going to include one of the wallets. Alright, and then last but not least, I'm going to use this sparkling cider. This is the white grape, as well as the Time to Wind Down bag. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the bag as an additional piece or actually put the cider down into the bag. But either way, we're going to do it together. Alright, so I'm going to turn you around. Move these things out of the way. So we can get started. Might have to back you up just a little bit so you can see better. Alright, but there's our little cuddly bear, and he's laying on this tray. Now I'm going to maybe just use some shred and not put any tissue down. And that's so I can actually glue things to, or not hot glue, but glue dot items to the actual tray. So, and tape things down. Alright, so let's get started. First things first.
Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. The conversations in my mind are starting, give me one, yeah, they go like la 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 la. They go like la 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 la. The conversations in my mind are stuck on rewind. Yeah, they go like la 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 la. They go like la la la. Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. The conversations in my mind are starting, give me one, yeah, they go like la 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 la. They go like la 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 la. Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why.